would you do if your mom snored like this? This family was having a peaceful sleep when suddenly, mom started snoring like a monster. Dad and daughter kept tossing and turning, trying to find a comfortable spot, but the daughter just couldn't take it anymore. And wait until you see what she did next. But first, how many years would you want your mom to stay alive? 10 years, ignore. 50 years, leave a like. 80 years, hit subscribe. 100 years, drop a heart and share this video. Forever, do all of the above. Now here's the twist. She grabbed her mom's socks, stuffed them right in her mouth, and voila, problem solved.